Hello everybody, so today we're going to be doing a unboxing video. This one right here, this is the Hot Wheels that we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is a race track, just so you know, this is the front, and then here's the back of the item. So as you can see, here's like a little small jump, as you can see, so that's pretty cool. So the reason why I'm doing it this way is because I try to do an overhead cam with this, but my phone won't fit it all, but yeah, we're going to be unboxing this item today and try this out today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and then I'm gonna probably hook it up together, and then try it out. So let's go ahead and get started and unbox this Hot Wheels set today. So you know, I got my knife here just in case if I need it, and just so you know, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up now. All right, just so you know, the best way to open it up is in the back here. As you can see, it's all the way in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this now. Okay, so this comes with some instructions how to hook up the item. Okay, so put that on the side. So I'm going to take everything out here. Okay, so I got lots of different stuff on the inside, as you can see, like a lot of stuff. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, I got this item here. That must be where to launch your car. So that's pretty cool. And then I got here is the jump. That's the jump right there. Okay, and then this is what it looks like when you hook it up and everything. So that's the jump part. Okay, and then you got here is a track. As you can see, that's the track to hook it up. So that's pretty cool. From point A to point B, and then here is the jump right here. This is the jump, so that's pretty cool. A nice little jump. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this car out. There's a little specialty car on the inside. As you can see, that's the car, so that's pretty cool. So I'm going to take this thing and open it. Okay, and then take the car out. Alright, so this box here, I don't need it no more, so I just started it behind me. Okay, and then here's the car that comes with it, so that's pretty cool. Nice little car, and it's pretty sweet. Okay, alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to hook this thing up and then do a test run on this nice Hot Wheels track set here for you today, so I'm going to go ahead and do this now. Okay, so I got this all hooked up. As you can see, that's what it looks like when it's all hooked up. Alright, so this is pretty sweet, I think. So there you go. That's what it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and launch this thing, and it's going to go off the ramp here and then jump over that ledge thing there. But I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so for you to hit it just right, you have to like really punch this red thing, and then the car will just like go full speed. So I'm going to go ahead and do this now and show you what it looks like. Alright, here we go. Ooh, there it goes one more time. Yeah, sometimes you have to like press it really hard to use this jump here. Alright, let's try this one more time. Alright, there it goes. So it went over. So yeah, that's pretty cool. A little toy Hot Wheels set here for you today. But anyways, I think that's pretty much it today about this Hot Wheels set. So that's pretty cool. A nice little set. And if you guys want to see more, just leave a like and subscribe. And I want to say thanks for watching.